If you've ever been in the middle of searing a steak or frying bacon and realized your kitchen is filling with smoke, you know the frustration of fumbling for buttons with greasy hands. That's where this 30-inch wall-mounted range hood tries to change the game. The big standout here is the gesture sensing. Instead of getting fingerprints all over a control panel, you literally just wave your hand in front of the sensor to turn it on or crank up the fan speed. It's surprisingly convenient when you're multitasking and don't want to break your flow or touch a greasy surface. Now, let's talk about that 1200 CFM rating. That is a lot of power. For most residential kitchens, this is overkill, but if you're a serious home cook who does a lot of high-heat stir-frying, searing, or heavy indoor grilling, that suction is fantastic for keeping your kitchen air clear. It's available in both ducted and ductless modes, so it's flexible depending on whether you can vent to the outside or need to recirculate the air with charcoal filters. Is it worth it? Here is the reality check. With 1200 CFM, you have to be prepared for some noise. High-powered fans move a massive amount of air, and that usually comes with a whoosh sound. If you're mostly doing light simmering, you might find it more power than you actually need. Also, ensure your kitchen has proper airflow. With this much suction, you want to make sure your home isn't developing negative air pressure. Who is this for? If you have a pro-style range, love heavy-duty cooking, and want a modern, high-tech look that stays cleaner thanks to that touchless gesture control, this is a heavy hitter. But if you're looking for a quiet, subtle unit for a small kitchen, you might want to look for something with a lower CFM rating. If this looks like the right fit for your kitchen, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with a friend who's currently renovating, and subscribe for more honest, no-fluff kitchen gear reviews.